Are you looking for a food truck? Something that's mobile and something that has a set location? As a bonus, it's even got a commissary kitchen. This is a great listing for you to look at. If you're interested in knowing more, please go to our website. We sell restaurants. Create an account, and then you can download 20 to 24 pages worth of information about this great listing. Or you can call me, Paul Rogers. My phone number and my email are just to the right of this listing. Now, whether it's this listing or one of my many other listings, I look forward to talking to you soon.